Yeah, it's probably loose. Hang on. Pull it out. Oh, okay.
You don't have to take off the screw?
Yeah, take it off. I don't know. I didn't see the video the way.
I mean, the screw has to be taken off or no? This is where your key is, so this is different.
Yeah, I know.
Watch out, who's locking the door? Who's locking the door?
It's good. No, it's probably open it. That's it.
So the screw stays?
Yeah, hang on.
Oh.
Take the plug out. Let me have the tool, John. So this is a tool we use. They sell it at Walmart. It's a T25. T25 right here. It's a heart. You can buy this package at Walmart. This is only for the front door.